What is our motto? Clear? What is our motto? So how can we determine? First of all, if this one is what about ratio, that is 1:2, and here 1:3. First of all, this one is converted here, after that whole phenomena also converted here. Okay, then determine step by step. So minus j6, that is 7. Now if this one is converted here 9, and if this one is converted, then 9 divided by, what about n, turn ratio, 3/1, 3. So 9 divided by 3 to the whole square, and j 18 by 3 to the whole square, that is j 2 ohm, and this is 1 ohm. Okay, now after that that is 1 ohm, that is 12 at the angle 0. This is I1, and that is I2, and this one is 1:2. Okay, so first of all, what about whole combination of this? That is 7 plus 1, 8, and minus 6, and plus 2, j. So if this one is converted, 7 plus 1, 8, that is 8 ohm, plus 2, minus 6, we got minus j 4 ohm. Okay, what about turn ratio? 2/1, so 2 divided by 2 to the whole square and 2 to the whole square. This is got 2 ohm, and this one is minus j 1 ohm, and this is 1 ohm, and here plus minus 12 at the angle 0. So what about I1? I1 is 12 at the angle 0 divided by 2 plus 1, 3, minus j. So finally we got 3 minus j. This one is written as 12 at the angle 0 divided by 3.16 at the angle minus 18.43. Okay, so 12 divided by 3.16, that is 3.797 at the angle 18.43 ampere. This is I1. This is I1. Now what about I2? This current is inter and this current is outer, means I2 divided by I1 is positive. Okay, according to concept, this one is a positive. I2 divided by I1 is positive, and what is the value of this one? 2 divided by 1, that is 1 divided by 1. N1 by N2, N1 by N2. So N1 is 1 and N2 is 2. So I2 1 by 2 into 3.797, 18.43. So finally we got 1.898 at the angle 18.43 ampere. This is I2. This is I2. Clear? Now what about I3? I2 direction like this one, and I3 direction like this one. I2 downward, I2 going to, now corresponding to I3, this current is downward and this current is upward. Corresponding dot, this was incoming and this is also incoming. So if both are incoming, okay, then what about current ratio? I3 divided by I2. I3 divided by I2 is negative, otherwise positive. Okay, so that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So I3 is minus 1 by 3 into 1.898 at the angle 18.43, and finally we got 0.6329 at the angle minus 1 is written as 1 at the angle 180 degree. Okay, so (180 plus 18.43) we got 198.43 ampere. This is the final answer. Okay, we got I1, I2 and I3. Clear? First of all, make it. Very clear?